Figure out this boot housing. There you go. That's pretty rusted and corroded in there. So that was also inhibiting the spark. Alright, so place the new boot housing on here, or the old boot housing on here. So the way this came off, is like so, and it also reads this side out on top. This one reads the same thing. This side out. You can see that. Place that right here. Get the 1/4 inch bolts that go back in it. Cinch that down real quick. Forgot something. Can y'all see what I forgot? That one guy. See, this goes right onto there. There we go. Like I said, I think that's the ground wire. And over tighten it because you don't want to strip the bolts. But with all the vibration of a mower, you want to get it pretty tight. Alright. So next step, putting the new spark plug here. Actually, we can hold off on that. Leave that to the side. Thread this back through here so it's ready. Okay. Get a closer look at what this is supposed to be. Alright. Just have the 2 bolts holding it in place. See if it'll freely spin. Yes, it will. Okay. Next step is just to replace the cover and pull cord assembly onto it. And then we'll put the gas tank assembly back on top of that, and then put the top housing back on. Okay, and can't really tell, but that's some old oil in there. I might do a quick video on how to change the oil in your Craftsman lawnmower.